Alright, what up, good people? This your boy Alex Sherrod 2x4, man. Bring you another video. Finna bust down, open some boxes and packages that we got so we can move forward. Some of this stuff is for moving forward, some of this stuff is just, I need to have this. So first box, shout out to everybody that pointed me in the direction of these sponge looking discs. These are gonna assist well in getting rid of the old paint on the trunk and the rest of this car. So shout out to that. I think it was Infamous Nova that actually texted me the link. So shout out to Infamous, man. I appreciate it, brother. So those should have had assist in that effort. Next package is this is just like I don't know, some random shit haul, man, because it's not really anything. So this one is from DNA Motoring. This is the V-band clamp that goes on to I think this goes on to the downpipe or something. Let me look. Let's see. Universal zinc coated turbo cooler exhaust V-band clamp plus flange. So I forgot what it was. This one was specifically for the GT45. So I think it's what I need for the downpipe. I don't recall. I'm gonna just put it in the box with the rest of the turbo stuff. So slowly but surely, still getting that together. I'm really not planning on busting down nothing till next year for that, but plans are in place. Plans are in place. So got that. Let's just go and trash. Next package up is going to be, okay, so these are the blinking, flashing lights that Cortez had told us about. I'm gonna put these probably on the C10. Yeah, these are probably going to C10 because I don't want to buy, I don't know if I need like 2 or 3 sets. But when you hit the brake, they blink like by themselves and shit, so maybe I could put them on the colors or something, I don't know, we'll think about it. But I got 1 set, this will probably fit C10 or whatever. I just gotta see what else is compatible with the same joint. Alright. Next package. This package is kind of nothing to do with it. Well, kind of, sort of. So these are Ziploc sandwich bags. I'm finna start selling at work. No, I'm bullshitting. No, these are sandwich bags, man. I bought them so that I could, as we get ready to take the Caprice to the Landau apart, we can bag and tag everything, man. Keep it in the keep everything together, man. Like I said, when I did that, did the LS Broham, man, the guy I bought the LS Broham from, man, he had everything bagged and tagged, and I really want to say that it made a world of difference when it came to putting that car back together, man. So definitely don't want to be trying to get ready and hit a deadline for Whipfest, and then I'm looking for shit that, yeah, so that's that. And then this is a Bluetooth adapter for my computer so I can hook up my vinyl cut machine or whatever wirelessly. So that take care of that. else we got here? Oh yeah, these technically should have went in that other video. So here we got a set of Protects. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then you don't know. These are pretty much the headlights. These are the headlights pretty much for the box Chevy. Got the fan on the back of them. These are the same LED headlights that I run in the Landau, and now they're gonna be running in the LS Broham. So that's what that is. So yeah, if you need to get a closer look at them, that's what they is. Got them off of eBay. Yeah. Yes, sir. But yeah, I got a little fan on the back of them. You know what I'm saying? So it's pretty cool. And they instantly turn on, man. So you know, they LED instantly turn on. It's not like the HIDs, man. I don't know if y'all remember last year when I finally upgraded the lights in the Landau, but yeah, that's what that was. And this is already empty. So I think I'm waiting on one more package, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't even know why I ordered it. I guess because the opportunity knocked. So till next time, man, it's your boy LS254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Cause your boy finna get ready to go to work. Goddamn me. I had this damn thing charging. It was on 10 amps. I said I was gonna change it to the 6. Cause I don't know, like the boost is at 10 amps. And then the charger maintains at 6 and then something else. So 10, I don't even know. 10 might have been too much to, I don't know, start it. Or 10 might have been too fast for it to charge. But I don't know. We finna see. Alright, so we got our multimeter. I'm gonna have a video coming in. I'm off tomorrow. We're gonna do a test on him. Parasitic draw test. And I'm gonna make a video, so cause I can park the car for like a week and then that bitch will be like completely dead. Like I was telling people in the live, man, it could be anything, honestly, because I did accidentally leave the HP tuners hooked up in there, and I don't know exactly what the draw is on them, but it very well could have had something to do with it. So let's go red to red, black to black. We're gonna put it back over in volts. In the volts, my boy. So it's sitting at 13.3. I mean, that's like a fresh ass charge. So it should be good. You can't really see it. Yeah, so 13.3, it should be good. So hook everything back up, which is really only this negative terminal here. Everything else is pretty much still hooked up. So yeah, get that hooked up, get that put on there, and then we out to work.